Today the water pollution solution. The issue that I'm focusing on is water pollution. And every year between 4.8 and 12.7 million tons of plastic enter the ocean each year. And the main sources from this are waste facilities and land sources. And according to 4Ocean Florida, over 800 species are estimated to be negatively impacted by plastic. And my solution starts with the Ocean Sweeper. And this is a system that is put in the oceans, and it uses barriers to trap the trash that is drifted by waves. And this is how it works. There's a parachute anchor that holds it in place, and then the wind, waves, and current push the plastic into the barriers. And one concern about it is that it would break because of how the ocean fluctuates constantly, but the Ocean Sweeper specifically has floater flexibility that allows it to rise and not rise with the ocean. And this is one of the locations that is already in the Pacific Ocean. And then my next step would be to use the enzymes. And the molecular structure of the enzyme metase works with a second one called PETase. And we would use this to either use it on trash that's already in these waste facilities and plastic to break it down, or we can use it on the trash that's collected with the Ocean Sweeper. And how will we make this possible? We can work with companies that already collect trash and with the waste facilities. And 4Ocean alone has cleaned up 7 million pounds of trash from the ocean since 2018. And we can use those enzymes on the trash that's already collected and then use the Ocean Sweeper to help them increase their production rates. And then this step would be where we would use the enzymes once it's all sorted. So it's a 3-step system. First, you use the barriers with the Ocean Sweeper, and then once it's all together or in the waste facilities, then you use the enzymes to break it down. And according to 4Ocean Florida, developing countries lack adequate waste management facilities to handle the amount of waste being produced, and that's how we would target our first production areas, and we would focus on China, Indonesia, and Philippines, being they're the leading waste production, and it would help with their standard of living. And locally, we can use it on the beaches since we are surrounded by water, and it can help us locally too.